Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Bohol is an island province of the Philippines in central Visayas. It is home to Boholano people. Its capital is Tagbilaran, the largest city of the province. The province is a popular tourist destination with its beaches and resorts. The most popular tourist attractions in Bohol are the Chocolate Hills, Panglao Island, and the world's smallest primates indigenous to the island, the Philippine Tarsier. Previously, we visited the breathtaking Baclayon Island in the northern part of Cebu. Today is another travel journey to create unforgettable memories. It is a reality that another dream came true to see the beautiful island, especially Panglao. Thus, sit back, relax, and enjoy this travel video with a full travel guide, tips, and expenses.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Trying new things in life is scary, but you will never know who you are unless you try. That is why I chose to travel to challenge myself, to escape from loneliness, to expand my perspective and appreciate the beauty of life. My name is Lito Hakosa and I am your biyaherong manok.
Lito, marasat kayo mito.
Talaga, ang sarap ng kayo mito. Ito po ba? Ito?
Hindi.
Ito?
Oo.
Hi, ako po si Marvin, ang tour guide niyo po for Countryside Tour. Tara na!
Our Bohol Countryside started early in the morning. We had to travel that early to the Chocolate Hills because I had heard that flying a drone from 8 a.m. onwards is prohibited. Fortunately, we managed to arrive at 7 a.m. My drone, Chiki-kun, seemed to be very happy that day. So, andito po kami ngayon sa Chocolate Hills and we are going to pay entrance fee, which is 100 pesos for the two of us. So, technically, 50 each.
No sir, 100 each po.
100 each. Kasi, so 200 to.
Opo.
Mukha kasing 1. Sorry po. Sorry. So, ayan po.
Thank you, ma'am.
There you are. Thank you so much. Now, good thing we arrived at 6:45 p.m. So, we arrived at 6:45 p.m. AM nga. Sorry, 6:45 AM. And yeah, kasi yung drone kasi dito, yung pagpapalipad is until 8 AM lang. So beyond 8 AM, lumalabag ka na sa restrictions ng Bohol. And there you are. So let's start.
I'm running out of friends inside my mind. I'm drinking out of Coronas with a lime. My thoughts get louder, and I forgot the time. I listen out of my headphones to Sublime.
So this is our first stop of our Bohol Countryside Tour, the Chocolate Hills. The entrance fee is 100 pesos per head. Before, I had only seen the Chocolate Hills in books, but today, I can't believe I finally saw this beautiful sight in person. It's a different kind of joy when something unexpected happens. For some who do not know about the Chocolate Hills, during the rainy season, the hills are green grass of home, while during the dry season, the hills turn to a chocolate brown. Due to their unique geological formations, the Chocolate Hills were declared a protected landscape and designated a National Geological Monument. Thus, each individual has a responsibility to preserve this natural wonder for future generations.
Cold water on my head.
Our next stop is the Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. This conservation area has a unique attraction featuring a close-up view of Tarsiers. So mga katiktilaok, nandito po kami ngayon sa Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. At just to remind you lang mga katiktilaok, hinihinaan ko lang yung boses ko dito kasi itong mga nocturnal animals which are tarsier are very sensitive when it comes to the sound or to the noise, and also kailangan sa mga camera natin wala talagang flash, kailangan naka-turn off talaga siya. Miss, quick question, talagang sumisilong po pa talaga sila?
Oh yes po, protection nila sa ulan at init.
So kusa sila naghahanap ng kanyang habitat.
Yes po.
Pero paano sila dumadami?
May meeting season naman sila. Karon, October to January.
The 6 months ang pregnancy. Nabasa ko.
6 months pregnancy. Tapos ilan yung nagiging isa lang?
So once a year lang?
Two.
Twice a year.
Twice a year?
So marami sila.
Nasa 100 plus na po sila.
Mga loyal ba sila? Or kahit sino lang?
Loyal? Loyal.
I mean,
Tao?
faithful ba sila sa partner nila?
Oo.
So, isa lang yung
Same thing with the eagles. Yung mga eagles kasi,
Yan
faithful din sila sa partner nila.
hindi kahit sino.
Hindi yung kahit sino. Hindi katulad sa mga aso. Kahit sino. Hindi katulad sa mga tao. Kahit sino.
After all the things we've learned about Tarsiers,
So, tapos na kami doon sa Bohol Tarsier Conservation Area. And now, susunod kami, yung sunod naming destination is man-made forest. May ganito ding spot doon sa La Union, but based sa mga pictures at saka sa mga videos na nakikita ko, one thing for sure, mas maganda dito sa Bohol. And I can't wait to see it and fly my drone na si Chiki-kun. Let's go!
we headed to our next destination, which is the Bilar man-made forest. The general admission is free. This is located along the Luwai Interior Road. It offers a picturesque tunnel over the highway. For some, it gives nothing special but a beautiful sight to pass by. But for me, I truly appreciate this unique blend of nature and human effort. Our next destination is the Loboc River, where we had our lunch buffet through Loboc River Cruise. There is no online reservation here. You can walk right in and there's no longer a need to wait. We paid for only 1,000 pesos per head. It may sound expensive, but the experience is worth it.
3. Sige, tara, let's go. Ito. Ang itim-itim ko na. Diretso lang ate.
Pag dumadating ang tao, automatic tumutulog to. Wait.
Boarding na po. Let's go, boarding na. Sabi pwede daw.
Bali, dito na lang, sir.
Pwede bago mag-ano?
Pwede naman, sir. Ay, sorry po. Sir, pwede niyo.
Sige po.
This is Bohol, out by Bohol. Welcome, visitors. This is Bohol, local Bohol. Welcome, visitors. Alright, good morning everyone, and once again, welcome to Bohol. Welcome to Loboc River, and welcome aboard. You are going to watch, hope you rest.
The experience was unforgettable. Aside from that, I had to crush Chiki-kun inside the floating boat. This is a fantastic way to experience the beauty of nature and culture.
Ay, saglit lang po. Mag-take off lang po ako. Ay, saglit lang po.
It's a peaceful trip down the river with stunning views of the jungle. It's a trip with great music and cultural dance. This is something that you should not miss when visiting Bohol. After the Loboc River Tour, we had a quick visit to Baclayon Church, which was built through coral stones in 1590. Unfortunately, it is closed. Thus, we also had a quick visit to the Blood Compact Shrine. Honestly, I got tired from this tour. I can't complain because it is still worth it. This Bohol Countryside Tour was only 1,500 pesos, but considering the effort of our driver, we paid him for 2,000 pesos. So, this is the end of our countryside tour. I'll see you in my next vlog about Alona Beach on Panglao Island. Therefore, please do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the icon bell for notification. See you! Mwah!